Welcome to RV Camping with Dan and Joyce.
Okay, we're headed across the river into South Carolina to go to Hickory State Park. So come on and join us. Sophie, are you ready to go? You are. Sophie's ready. And then how about Lilybell? Lilybell, you ready? And Angel, where are you? Here's Angel right here. There she goes.
Sophie loves to go camping.
It's Friday, February the 18th, 2022. It's 11:42 a.m. It's just a 30-mile trip to Hickory State Park, and we should be there about 12:30 or so. Sure, I'm looking forward to it.
Smoke Show is the best barbecue in the South.
After stopping and getting the best barbecue in the South, Smoke Show, a little trailer that they move around. We're now crossing Strom-Thurmond Bridge and the Strom-Thurmond Dam that forms Clarks Hill Lake. And on this side is the Savannah River. The Savannah River divides Georgia from South Carolina. We are now in South Carolina. There's the Turtle Center. Very nice job over here in Carolina. It's an absolutely beautiful day to go camping. The whole weekend's supposed to be like this. Hit it just right, 60 degrees. We're in McCormick County, South Carolina. McCormick County had a big gold rush. Cyrus McCormick came down and bought several gold mines and helped the community. And so they named the little county seat town and the county for McCormick County, South Carolina. We're rolling into Plum Branch, little railroad town. Plum Branch, South Carolina. Branch has seen better days, that's for sure. Hickory State Park has a very nice golf course. Beautiful day, several foursomes playing.
Out the way.
The facilities are very, very clean. Go home? You ready to go home? Did you have a good time? You did? Yeah? We're all packed up and ready to go home. We're leaving Hickory Knob State Park. Sure had a good time. It's right chilly this morning. It's beautiful sky. 36 degrees. Had great weather. Nice people too.
Thanks so much for watching, and you know what to do. Hit that like, share, and subscribe button for more videos of RVing with Dan and Joyce. And may the Lord bless you real good.